Hello and welcome to today's video. And today is going to be, I think, ninth or 10th video of this series so far, Cosmic Clarity. So, as we discussed in earlier videos, that today, I think in the last video, we have already covered all the planets. Before that, we have covered all the houses, and today we are going to discuss about zodiac signs. So zodiac signs, we have 12 zodiac signs for 12 houses. As per Kalpurush horoscope, uh, the first zodiac sign will sit in the first house and so on, but in our horoscope it may not be the case. If it happens, it's really great, but like it, most of the time it doesn't happen like that. And even if it happens, like, the planets will not sit accordingly. So let us start with the first zodiac sign. So that is Aries or Mesh. Zodiac sign in Indian language, you also call it Lagna, the first house, or we also call it ascendant. So first zodiac sign is Aries, second one is Taurus. The lord of the first zodiac sign is Mars, the planet Mars, and only the planet can be the lord of the zodiac sign. So it is for Aries, it is Mars. Then the second house or the second zodiac sign is is Taurus, and the zodiac lord is Venus. Third zodiac sign is Gemini. The lord is Mercury. Fourth zodiac sign is Cancer. The lord is Moon. Fifth zodiac sign is Leo. The lord is Sun. Sixth one is Virgo. The lord is Mercury again. Seventh one is Libra. Lord is Venus. Eight is Scorpio. Lord is Mars. Ninth is Sagittarius. Lord is Jupiter. Then 10th one, Capricorn. Lord is Saturn. 11th is Aquarius. Lord is Saturn. And 12th one is Pisces, and Lord is Jupiter. So these are the 12 zodiac signs, and we have also discussed about their lords. In real horoscope, what may happen is you may born with Libra ascendant. So your first house will be of Libra, and the house count will start in anti-clockwise from the first one. So your first house is Libra, second house is Scorpio, and so on. So with that, zodiac sign number will change in your respective houses. And again, planets can sit anywhere in all these 12 houses. There are 9 planets, so it may be possible that 9 planets will sit in different 9 houses. 3 will be empty. It can be possible that 1 or 2 planets or more than 2 planets can sit in one particular houses, and according to that the number of houses can be empty. Then we have the aspects, we have the conjunctions, and we have the trines, we have the the Kendra, that's center, that is the middle houses, and we have the different house numbers, like we will discuss more on those in our coming videos. So these are the information that I wanted to give you today, and in our next video we will also describe briefly about the constellations. There are 27 constellations, we also call nakshatra. In each constellations we have 4 padas, or 4 steps, you can say, step 1, 2, 3, 4. Each nakshatra also has the lord, so we'll also discuss about that. Typically we have 9 planets, and 1 planet may rule 3 nakshatras, so 9 into 3, 27. So we'll also discuss more on that in our next video, and maybe in another 3 to 4 videos, like we will start the whiteboard, we'll start learning how to draw the horoscope, how to draw the chart, the placement of different houses, different planets, and we will take it forward from there onwards. In between, whenever I have some any small tips, other bite information, small knowledge, like little bit of knowledge, I will just put in there. So we will learn like this gradually, step by step, from the basic to the very advanced level. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also like the video. Thank you.